There's Santana, and I'm back at Webb Canyon with Jaime, Chris, Tommy.
What up?
What's his name again? Mondo.
Mike.
And Mike. All right, let's do this.
Just wing it out, gentlemen. Sure.
You want to wing it out?
Let's wing it out.
Let's wing it out. It's a new one.
The order.
Whoa! Cut the mats. I haven't been on a bike for like a month. So woo! Water definitely should do that. Woo! Did it! I know, it's kind of weird.
Yeah!
Yeah, we'll try this sun.
Right, you leaving?
Cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Mount Wilson. I bought one at Big Five. I think it was like 50. I brought the shit. Oh, Spike's
Dude. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, for sure.
All right, man. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
All right, dude. Good to meet you, man.
Ready?
Right? Yep. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
That's it.
I got it.
Yeah, dude. I'll see that.
Nice one, man. Mike, first time here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was having trouble keeping up with you. And everyone. Nice one, Chris.
I'm like tired, dude. like cardio on the downhill.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until the next video. Explore the trails. And push your limits. And if you want a mountain bike together, send me an email or a message to Instagram.
All I knew was the last run, so I was like, God damn it. Last run, when shit happens.
Oh, yeah, I was like,